Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today we're going to be doing bacon in the oven, and for this particular video, you'll need a sheeting pan. You're going to take a sheeting pan, you're going to lay out 2 sheets of aluminum foil for the rest of the cleanup, and you can also use a cooking rack if you have one. I've done both, but the problem with using the cooking rack, there's grease that gets all over it, and it's one more thing I got to worry about cleaning. What's great about all this is if you save your bacon grease, you can just take your clean bacon grease and pour it into a mason jar or a grease jar if you have one. I haven't really done the saving of the bacon grease as of yet, but maybe I'll probably start doing it at some point. So what you're going to do with this particular video recipe, you're going to just cut open your bacon package and separate all your bacon like I'm doing. You can get 1 pound of bacon on the sheeting pan. It's pretty much easy. If you follow the steps that I'm doing, you should be fine. And also what you're going to do is once you got that, you're going to get your oven preheated around 450 and pop that baby into the oven for about 15 minutes. Pop it out, keep an eye on it, and flip the bacon over on the other side until it's nice and crispy like I did. And it doesn't have to be fully cooked. It could be cooked any way you want it on the bacon. But typically how I know when the bacon is done, well, you can smell it in your kitchen, and that's a good indication that it's done. And then what I'll do is I'll take the sheeting pan out of the oven, place it on the countertop, let it cool down for a little while, and then I'll take the tongs and I'll just kind of like shake them off, and then I'll put the bacon into a bowl with some paper towels and let it soak up the grease, and I'll have bacon for a couple of days. Now I had 2 pounds of bacon, one we used for the steak, and we have a little bit of bacon left in that. So what I did with that bacon, I cut it in half and I put it in a separate bowl in the refrigerator. And on another day this week, I'm going to take some ground beef. I'm going to make some patties out of a 2080 ground chuck, and I'm going to wrap the hamburgers into with the bacon, and they give the ground beef a really good salty bacon taste. And I don't know about you, but no matter what you have with bacon, everything tastes good with bacon, and I'm no different than anybody else. But yeah, so let's just go right into the recipe. Very, very simple. It's just going to be music going after this video, and give me a thumbs up, let me know. My question of the day, how do you cook bacon? You can do it in the microwave. I've done that before too, but it makes a heck of a greasy mess. But if you put it in between 2 pieces of paper towel, and if you're only doing 2 or 3 slices of bacon, that's fine. I did try the store-bought bacon already cooked. I didn't like it, and that's an option also, but I prefer to buy the bacon and cook it up myself. And I cooked it on the stove. I cooked it on the George Foreman grill. The George Foreman grill is a hassle because it's too much of a mess clean up, and on the stove it makes too much of a greasy mess on the stove, even with a cast iron skillet. So my preferred method is either in the air fryer or in the oven itself, and the oven itself is the better way to go as far as I'm concerned. And again, if you're using a baking rack or a cooking rack, it's gonna cook evenly up and around. You won't even have to flip the bacon, but you will have a mess to clean up. And then of course you can always save your bacon grease for cooking, which is really gives like if you're cooking fried chicken on a cast iron skillet, and use that bacon grease, and it gives it a really outstanding flavor. And you can buy bacon grease already at Amazon, but why would you? I would rather just do my own. But let's go right into the video. Enough said. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.